Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today is our last day with Darrin Davidson. Darrin's running for mayor in the town of Orangeville, and I want to thank him for coming in again.
Hey Brad, thanks for doing this whole thing. It's great.
So today's the last shoot, and today's all about giving you the final opportunity, at least in this series, to tell the voter why they should vote for you.
It comes down to one major issue, and it's about leadership. And that is something that if people come to understand what I'm about, that is what I will bring to the table. Leadership is sort of the beginning of everything. We've had some issues with collaboration and continuity. We've had issues about, well, where's this town going? If you look at, again, the last 4, 8, 12 years, it's led to whatever they've done in the past. It's led to the highest taxation in Ontario. That should tell people something, that maybe the decisions being made are not quite the right ones. So when we talk about leadership, it's more than just standing there and trying to be who you are. It's about being creative with your solutions. It's about bringing ideas to the table. You have to have a leader that is willing to collaborate. And certainly it's in my nature to bring everyone to the table and make sure that whatever ideas are on the table, the best one gets foisted forward. So, beyond collaborating and bringing people to the table, also too, people sometimes get swayed by numbers. And here's the thing. You have to make sure that when you bring numbers forward, it's not enough to just repeat publicly available information. You have to know what to do with these numbers, right? So you have to ask yourself, do I need a leader who's going to cut and paste solutions from other towns? No, you need a leader who is creative and innovative and has an eye for the future. So at the end of the day, I think the citizens, sort of like the dating game, you have to ask yourself, door number 1, number 2, number 3, who would best represent you at Queen's Park? Who would best represent you in a business meeting? Who would best represent you when dealing with seniors and affordable housing? Who's got the competency who has the experience behind issues around things that are about the social fabric? And certainly as a behavioral therapist, that is exactly what I've been doing for 20 years. And I've done it. I'm a small business owner, a consultant. I have the business knowledge behind it. And I certainly have the analysis to be able to bring to the table what we need in terms of moving the town forward. So at the end of the day, being mayor is really, it's about the people and supporting them. And we could talk about ideas all day long, but my job currently is really about supporting people, and their success is my success, and we'll bring that to Orangeville.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Thanks again for participating in this whole series. It means a lot to me and to everyone else watching.
Hey, this is, honestly, Brad, this is fantastic you're doing this for the town. The town's certainly going to benefit from it.
Really appreciate it, Darrin.
You're welcome, man.
Just want to reiterate for those watching at home, it's extremely important that we utilize the right that we have, the democratic right to vote. This series was all dedicated towards informing each and every one of you about what our options are and allowing us to go to the polls and make the best choice for Orangeville. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.